You definitely want to brace yourself at the checkout line because everything that you buy could soon cost a little bit more thanks to that sweeping wave of tariffs that Selena just laid out. Let's start with where it hits the most, and that's going to be the grocery store. Look, the U.S. just doesn't produce enough of the pantry staples like bananas, coffee, grains, fish, so expect prices to rise there. Companies like Hershey, Procter & Gamble, behind many of the snacks that we love, medicines and cleaning products, already warning of hikes. Alcohol, that is also on the list. Imports like French wine and European beer could spike as much as 30% by September. And get this, guys, 97% of clothing and shoes sold here in the U.S. is made in Asia. So expect a higher bill just in time for back to school shopping for the kids. And then finally, the big ticket items like furniture, appliances, electronics, everything from phones to dishwashers, that could jump immediately with tariffs on steel and aluminum jumping 50%. And then automakers like GM saying it's getting a little bit harder to not pass those costs along to consumers. Bottom line, these new tariffs are aimed at reshaping the global trade, according to Trump. But in the short term, our wallets will definitely take the hit.
And it is really eye-opening when you break it down like that, especially the pantry staples,
Yes.
the alcohol, of everything. So, Morgan, what can consumers do?
Yeah, it's all about shopping smart. If you're eyeing imports, you want to compare retailers, right? Some may not raise prices immediately, but also watch for price matching programs. Those can be really helpful in this tariff-heavy market that we're dealing with, guys.
The administration insists the tariffs will reshape global trade and boost American manufacturing long term. Today, adding a number of major trade deals are locked in and unlikely to change.
We have 8 deals that cover about 55% of the world GDP with our biggest trading partners, the EU and Japan and Korea and so on. And I expect that those matters are more or less locked in.
Some economists warn the combination of elevated tariffs and slow hiring could push the U.S. towards stagflation. Last month, inflation ticked up higher than expected, while a new jobs report showed hiring was weaker than expected. And Lindsay, now all eyes turn to the stock market tomorrow.